Sunday shoes on a hardwood floor. Your silhouette leans against the door. I see the gold shine on your hand. Smallest gesture is a master plan.